Hello everyone, my name is Bhavesh Chakor. Today's date is 20 October. The topic of this video is multi-threading in Java. Java is multi-threaded programming language, which means we can create or develop multi-threaded program using this Java language. A multi-threaded program contains two parts, and this each part contains the specific operation simultaneously. Now let's see what is a thread. A thread is predefined class which is available in java.lang package, and this thread is a lightweighted process which helps or allows program to run very efficiently while performing the multiple tasks. Now let's see the example of this multi-threading in real time. You all have already seen the online shopping platforms such as Amazon and Flipkart. Now let's assume one person logged into this website, and at the same time another person logged into the website. Then interface for this shopping website will be same for both the person. Now this both the person are going through the same product, and one person decided to go through the description of that product, and other person decides to go read through the reviews and comments. Now this shopping platform will generate two threads. One thread will be for one person, second thread will be for second person of the same product. So this is possible because of the multi threading concept. On the other hand, the best example is ticket booking app. So in the ticket booking app, multi-threading process is not present, because if one person is booking some seats, and at the same time for the second person, if it is allowed to choose the same seat, then it will be conflict between that selection. Now let's see the creation of these threads. So there are total two ways of creation of thread. First is by extending a thread class, and second is by implementing the runnable interface. In the first way, for example, class A extends thread class. Then by creating an object of this class A, we can generate or we can create a thread. Now let's see the life cycle of this thread. A thread goes through various stages in its life cycle. The first state is a new state or a born state. Whenever the object of a class which extends the thread class is created, a thread is a born and it is in a new state. Then second state is a ready state. After a new state or born state, when when the thread dot start method is executing, then at that time the thread is in ready state. Then third state is a running state. Whenever a thread is performing the given task or executing the given task, then it is in a running state. After a running state, the fourth state is a dead state. After successfully completion of the given task, the thread terminates and it is in a dead state. Other than this four, there are one more state in thread, which is called waiting or a sleeping state. So in this state, the thread is on hold for some time, and as soon as the time completes, the thread again goes back to the ready state, and it performs its remaining task and again gets terminated. And that's it with the multi-threading in Java. Thank you.